Hello everyone, hope everyone is enjoying Sunday. Today we are with Mr. SC Mittal. He is CMD for DMR Hydroengineering Limited. So, how are you, sir?
Fine, fine, madam.
अच्छा सर, आप राइट इश्यू लेके आ रहे हैं और कंपनी बड़ा अच्छा कर रही है. So, please
See,
tell us how did you come to this business?
okay, ma'am, we are in this business since last 15 years, and engineering has been my passion throughout my career. So, and what I find is that there is a great need of good engineering in India as well as in all the developing countries. So that I found there is a vacuum, and so there is a need to fill that vacuum. And I thought that I, as the DMR, can fill this vacuum, and that's how we are here in this business.
Okay. So, please tell us about the major achievements of the company in last 1 year.
So in last 1 year, madam, first of all, I think we are seriously looking at how to multiply our company. So number of initiatives we have taken. So first challenge for these kind of companies as DMR is that you should have a very strong, team size, and so leadership at the senior level as well as the leadership at the younger level. Both leaderships are important. So we have taken a lot of initiatives, and we have been successful in building a leadership positions for all disciplines in the company. We have filled various positions with the senior vice president level positions for operations, for contracts, for engineering, dam engineering, for tunnel engineering, and for all other disciplines. So that has been our major achievement. And then we have been able to hire very good talent from these NITs and National Institute of Technologies, particularly from Agartala and Patna and uh, uh, these two places. And those people have really come up very fast, and they are beside other people in the company, they are driving an important engineering initiatives in the company.
Yeah, please tell us about your current order book.
Current order book at right this moment is very healthy because we have been able to secure orders from Bhutan, from Laos, and from India, for pumped storage. Also, we've been able to procure business, and we have been able to procure business for small hydro, large hydro dams, and all these, and slope stability. So for all these, we have been able to build a strong order book, and we continue to execute that order book. So we are satisfied with the order book, current order book at this moment, and we are hopeful to further multiply this order book because we are several initiatives are in the pipeline, which will actually fructify in next 4 to 6 months, but
Okay,
definitely
so what?
before the year end.
Yeah. So, what is the percentage of revenue from international markets and local?
I think about 30% revenue is being realized from the international market. Our relationships with the clients in Laos is extremely well, and we have a good business in Bhutan. And at these places, we propose to build more strength. And so, in the times to come, I think our international business percentage should increase bit. And but overall, our size of the order book and our revenue should increase substantially. So once we do that, then we are able to tap both the international markets as well as the domestic market.
Okay. So, please tell us about your financial strengths.
We are financially sound, but then we have to build, we have two challenges. One is the receivable part because our customers, they take several months to pay us. So that is a challenge. But, and since we are a growing company and we are adding more talent, so our monthly, expenses are also increasing. but we have been able to, have good liquidity during all these years. And you know that we are a debt-free company. And but our cycle of realization is about 6 months. But we have had internal arrangements that we have not really felt pressure. But since we want to grow further, so we want to have a more cushion for the order book. So for this,
Yeah. Sir,
and this
as we can see
reserves.
yeah, sir, as we can see the revenue has increased by 65% and profit after tax has rose by 99% between
Yeah,
24 and 23 if we see the
yeah,
March results.
yeah.
So, and the assets have also grown. So, have you purchased any assets?
No, no, assets. In fact, we are trying to, reduce our previous illiquid assets, and now we want to invest in, of course, the additional softwares and all those kind of things that we anyhow we need. But then the rest of it is all fixed deposits that we have for our companies.
Okay. So, what would you like to say about the current international market scenario and how will it affect the business of our company, that is DMR Hydro Engineering
So
and
far as infra is
Infrastructure?
concerned, the infra is growing everywhere. So whether we see Laos market or the market in Bhutan or and market other places and the Indian those markets, so we really don't see any slowdown in the because what we are doing the critical infrastructure and the requirement of critical infrastructure, basic infrastructure is will continue to grow for several decades. So we don't feel pressure on of business from the international market. So we are in fact rather upbeat that our international business will grow further.
Okay, the right issue is coming on November 14th and it will end on December 3rd. So,
Yeah.
so please tell us about the main objects of the issue.
So main object of the issue is again to increase our working capital for all our main company and our subsidiary companies because as we will be adding more talent, so we have to ensure that all the talent is well compensated in terms of remuneration and all that. And then we'll be requiring more tools. So we require working, and as the revenue increases, then receivable amount also increases. So again, we have to keep a provision for more cash at our hand, and that is the main objective to create more cash and uh, you know be available for the meeting our working capital requirements.
Okay. So how do you see the company emerging in next 3 years now?
Next 3 years, what I find the momentum this company has really gained during last 8 to 10 months. With that kind of momentum, and since there is a lot of now leadership in place in this organization, and now as the size has grown and the environment that we have created in this company, so we are able to recruit and attract senior level talent at a very very affordable price. That is our strength, and also the good engineers that we are able to recruit and retain. So with these things, I see that there is going to be tremendous growth in this company, and slowly we are also trying to enter into EPC business. Yes, with EPC business also, I think our and PMC business, both EPC and PMC. With EPC and PMC, again, our revenues will substantially increase.
Okay. So what message you would like to give to the investors?
Now, my message to investors is very clear. One thing is this company is a value-driven company, and in a very very idealistic kind of management and leadership. So uh, we have a what we call as we want to grow at a real good pace, and we want to set example to be a really dependable company in India and elsewhere outside the country. And with that, once we have occupied a more you know, bigger size, then this company will further grow. So the company is going to grow at a very, very, what we call as a substantial rate, I will say, in for several decades. That is my hope, because there is a lot of requirement of the kind of services that we are providing to our customers, whether they are the government customers or the private customers, and all kind of customers that we are dealing. And they are liking our work. They have been liking our work previously. Since now our customer base is expanding, so we are seeing that all our customers get the full service, and they should really feel proud of having been associated with DMR.
Okay, we have already seen a twofold in 1 year. So how much we should expect in 3 years?
No, no, we should. I will not, guess a particular number, but we should, grow it very, very substantial. And shareholders should be assured that their, valuations or values of, whatever they have invested is going to be, much beyond their expectations. I will say you, and definitely it will beat the market trends, and it will be real value addition, for the investors who would like to come in the future and who are presently, you know, glued with the with this company.
Anything else you would like to add, sir?
Now, I would like to add that now we are also diversifying into, associated services, such as, for example, we are now working, offering services in terms of providing geophysical kind of services, that is underground or below surface investigations without any kind of invasion and all that. So there is a tremendous scope for that, and we are getting good response from the customers. And then we are also trying to add, for example, pump storage. We are, going in a big way. And for all this kind of small services that we are providing, we want to exceed every single service becomes a kind of big size in itself. So that is how we want to build this company. This company has a huge potential. And since the aim from the day one is very clear that it has to be a global company, so now we are focusing on initially on 2, 3 markets, and subsequently we are going to enlarge our presence in more countries.
Okay.
So that's
Thank
the
you,
message I
Mittal
will
ji.
give.
Yeah,
Thank
I'm
you.
so
Thank you,
sorry.
Anand.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Mittal ji. The right issue is coming at rupees 140. So please look out on that. And the company is doing very well. That's what we would like to say from our end. So, Mittal ji, thank you for your precious time and best of luck for the
Thank you
right
very much.
issue.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.